In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Uber Cash not working on Uber Eats. So what we want to do is just first load up the Uber Eats app. And for example, let's say that you have made an order, but Uber Cash didn't work and it didn't get withdrawn. So what we can do is select account here, found in the bottom right corner. And then from here, we'll just scroll down until we see the section for help. So just click on help. And then here we will select account and payments, which is the second option. So from here, there used to be a separate tab for Uber Cash not working, but now we will need to click on I need to contact support. And then you need to input the name on the account, the phone number, and we're gonna select account and payment issues as our issue. And what we're gonna say here is, I would like to change the payment for my last order, or whichever one you want to change it for, to Uber Cash. And that's basically what we want to do. And then we'll just click on submit. And if Uber Cash didn't work and you tried your best to apply it to your previous order but it didn't work, then you're going to say this, and the Uber Eats support is going to further assist you with the issue. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.